You're not going to believe this. There's a guy on YouTube and Instagram getting millions of views just by destroying luxury cars. But here's the twist. He's not destroying anything. Every single video? Completely AI generated. And they're so realistic, your brain can't tell what's real and what's fake. Picture this. A Rolls-Royce gets crushed by a massive boulder. Flames. Debris flying everywhere. Looks 100% real, but it's all AI. These clips are short, explosive, and engineered to grab your attention instantly. You blink and boom, scene's over. Your brain says, wait, what did I just watch? So you watch it again and again. That's the secret sauce. Here's the wild part. You can recreate videos just like this using free AI tools. No budget, no fancy software, just a few prompts and a bit of creativity. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to reverse engineer these viral car destruction clips and how to turn that method into your own viral content machine. And this strategy? It's not just for cars, you can use it for any kind of viral video. If you're new here, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and buckle up. Start by grabbing one of those viral AI clips. I found one on Instagram. It's a Rolls-Royce, chilling, until a giant boulder obliterates it. 200 million views. Absolute mayhem. Download it using any free Instagram video downloader. Just paste the link, hit download, and you're good. Now we need 3 key frames from the video before impact, right as the boulder is falling. Mid-impact when the boulder hits. Aftermath, dust, chaos, destruction. Use the snipping tool, Windows key plus Shift plus S, to screenshot each frame. No need to save, just paste them straight into ChatGPT. Paste the screenshots into ChatGPT and use this exact prompt. Please analyze these 3 images. Generate a detailed image prompt to recreate the first frame and a video prompt to animate it. ChatGPT will give you a super detailed image prompt with a video animation prompt for action, effects, camera movement, and more. Head to Ideogram AI, paste the image prompt, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Perfect for Reels, Shorts, TikTok. Click Generate, and in seconds you'll have 4 high-quality images. Pick the best one. It should have tension, drama, and action. Something that screams, something insane is about to happen. Now take that image and drop it into Google AI Studio. Paste the video prompt from ChatGPT and select your format 9:16. Click Generate, and in under a minute, you've got a full-blown animated clip. Boulder falling, camera movement, dust clouds. It looks like a scene straight out of a movie. Back in ChatGPT, use this prompt to keep the ideas flowing. Generate 3 more unique video concepts, each with a detailed image prompt and a matching animation prompt. Boom! Now you've got a content pipeline. Take a new image prompt, plug it into Ideogram or Piclumen AI. Take the matching video prompt and animate it with Google AI Studio. Repeat. Want to make it even more epic? Ask ChatGPT for a sound effects prompt based on your scene. Paste that into ElevenLabs under the Sound Effects tab, and it'll generate custom audio, perfectly synced to your video's action. Download it, sync it in any basic video editor, and you're done. You just created a viral video, no camera, no mic, no editing headache. With just a few clicks, you've unlocked the blueprint for unlimited content. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI content tricks that will change how you create. Let's keep building. Catch you in the next one.